Hi, I'm Adam Bloomfield, and today we're going to quickly show you how to safely secure a fender to your boat. Now, the first thing to remember is to lower the fender to just above water level, making sure it's not actually touching the water. Then what you want to do is get one wrap around your bow rail like so, remembering to keep the tension at all times. Then, with the bottom end, pull it back through this loop here like so, securing it off, pulling it tight, and then finally finishing with a half hitch to lock it off. Like so. And remember, if you have any questions, our team is always happy to answer your calls. And if you're interested in purchasing some brand new fender covers, we can also help with that too. Thanks. See you later.